Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Ecobee HVAC settings after replacing wiring, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Ecobee thermostat is powered off. This is important to prevent any electrical mishaps while handling the wiring. Remove the Ecobee thermostat from the wall by gently pulling it away from the base plate. Take a moment to identify the wires that were connected to the thermostat. Carefully note the color and terminal connections of each wire. If you have a smartphone or camera, take a picture for reference. Disconnect the wires from the thermostat terminals, making sure to label them if necessary. Now, remove the base plate from the wall to access the wiring connections more easily. Inspect the wiring to ensure there are no visible damages or frayed ends. If the wiring is in good condition, proceed to reconnect the wires to the correct terminals. Use the pictures or notes you took earlier to ensure accuracy in your connections. Once the wires are securely reconnected, reattach the base plate to the wall. Now, carefully snap the Ecobee thermostat back onto the base plate. Turn the power back onto your HVAC system at the breaker box. Wait for the thermostat to power up, which may take a few moments. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Ecobee. You may need to select your language and connect to Wi-Fi. Next, the thermostat will guide you through the setup of your heating and cooling preferences. Be sure to update any scheduling or comfort settings as desired. Once completed, the thermostat will return to the main screen, showing the current temperature. Test the heating and cooling systems to ensure they respond as expected. Make any final adjustments according to your comfort needs. And now, your Ecobee HVAC settings are successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.